Hey, what's up everyone? This is Easy Speeds and Feeds, and today I'll show you how to make a fixture for this thin part. So first, I'll show you guys how thin it is. It's 3 inches by 6 by 100 thou. So we're going to pretend this is like a piece of titanium and it's been to the wire EDM department and all we have is like a shim. So the holes aren't in here and we need to put the holes in. So it's a little too thin to grab in the jaws. So what we want to do is just make a fixture for it. So first we go to the plane. It's on the bottom. Let's see if it's there. Okay, perfect. And first we'll just level this part. Then we'll have another one. Fixture. Okay, so just go to the fixture level and we'll make a rectangle obviously bigger than the part. So let's go 4 by 7. Now let's turn the part back on. I'm thinking a little bit bigger. Let's go back to fixture. Delete that. Center. Okay, so let's go 4.5 by 7.5. And this is just the outline of the fixture. The fixture we plan on holding in a vice jaw, so we don't have to make any holes to bolt it to the table. It'll be a little bit easier. So, fixture, start by extruding it. Just select that wire. We'll go down 1.25. Okay. Change the color of the fixture to yellow. And then we'll change the color of the part to change it to that color right there, light blue. Okay, so it's starting to look like something. But what we have to do here is we're going to go to the top plane, select this part, and we are going to be on the fixture level, and what we are going to do is find silhouette boundary. So it's going to create a boundary around this part. And that should be on level 2. So we can delete all this extra stuff. Leave it for now, actually. We'll just go to solids, extrude, select that chain, and we're going to cut body. And so that part is 100 thou thick, right? So we'll go, let's say we want the option to put a chamfer around the thing, so we can just go 60 thou. Perfect. And now I'm just going to delete all this wireframe we don't want. key. So let's activate our part. And what we need next is, so it's going to sit in there at like a slip fit, or like a big slip fit, so plus or minus 1,000. So what we'll do is we'll machine this profile with and compound our tool a couple tenths at a time until our parts all start fitting in there. Say we have like five parts, all the same. We want to make sure all 5 of them fit in there. So and after that, what we want to do is we want to add 1/4 holes around the pocket, and basically that's gonna be the size for small aluminum clamps. And the clamps just use a 1/4 that screws into the fixture, and then it has another 1/4 sticking out the back. This is kind of like a common little machinist clamp, and you can clamp one side of it down into the part. So we'll add those real quick. I mean, you can use whatever clamping system you want, but aluminum clamps have worked really well for me. Fixture. And we'll try this to start. We'll go. .75 by 3.75. Okay. 6.75 tab 3.75. And 0.25 enter. Hit the lock button. So that looks pretty good. We can clamp right here, right? Clamp right here. Clamp right here. So imagine just like a rectangle, the center of it right here, and then it extending onto the part. And then you can clamp down on this side, and there'll be a jack on the opposite side over here. So that all looks good. Back to fixture. Just extrude these holes down, make it look official. To cut body, we'll go down 2 diameters down, plus a little extra, 0.6. Perfect. Now, what we want to do as like finishing touches is move the fixture into position so it'll look how it looks on the machine. So we just need to move the fixture up 60 thou. Translate. Go. That looks like the correct directions, but let's go 0.06. And we're going to do move, not copy. So, clear colors. As you can see, we have a nice pocketed fixture for our little slabs we'll be putting these holes in. And then we have plenty of 1/4 holes so we can add and remove clamps as needed throughout the process. And all you have to do to touch this part off is just touch Z. Because let's say we set the center of the block as X and Y. This part, if it's a slip fit, can only be off X and Y by like 5/10 and 5/10. So you're gonna hit hole positions of like 1 or 2 thou right off the bat. And all you have to do is probe the top of this part and you're ready to go. So this is it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to create a stock model for this part right here. So it's going to look just like a shim. And then we'll actually machine this part so you guys can see how that's all done. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe more, and we'll see you later. Thanks.